This is our catch for today. Wow. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Oh, it's a little blurry. Alright, so we're here and there's some fry here. We're gonna try and get it. Today it's actually just me and my mom today. Yeah. Let's go. Alright. Morning. Oh, very good, man. Pababa mo lang, pababa mo lang. Alright, we still got a good bit. Yay! Okay, there's still something. Let's go. Alright guys, always remember, especially like when you're catching fry, to always clean the dock afterwards. Definitely need to get more water. Alright guys, so we're back here in this spot, and guess what? There's no one else here. It's just me and my mom out on the fishing. Out in the fishing, we're out here fishing. Alright, whoa, look at all the snappers. But they're pretty hard to catch because they can see the line and everything. Let's get to it. I'm gonna put the GoPro over here. Okay, you see that? Oh my gosh! Huh? Mama. Oh yeah! It's mackerel! Oh, they're here! Look so fast! Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Go mama! Put your line down! Oh! More mackerel guys, let's go! Let's go! There we got snapper. Oh my god, I got mackerel. Oh, let's go! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, you know what? Alright guys, so the mackerels are still attacking. You see all of them? And this is what we've caught so far. I'm gonna put you guys down again. Let's get back to fishing. Wow. Alright, it's a good fishing day. I'm gonna have to get, sooner or later I'm gonna have to get the bucket to put all the mackerels in there. Right now, I'm gonna change this to the mouth mount. Alright guys, it's our catch right now. We're gonna have to clean this up later. Right now, it's back to fishing. Huh? Oh shoot. Oh no. There you go. Does it hurt? Oh. Oh yeah. Oh no, it's okay. The other jack is still there. Good. Oh. Huh. I should get the rocket. I'm gonna go get the rocket. I'm gonna get the rocket. Okay. You see that, guys? Look at all those mackerels. Got it, Mom. You got it. Oh, wrong bait. Woo! Feeding frenzy. See? It's okay, Mom. It's okay. Look at them. Watch, watch, watch. Wow, they just come. Wow, they must be so hungry. Ma, ano ba? Ano nangyari? Oh no. Oh god. It came off. It's alright. Try again, try again. Yeah. I hope the camera was able to pick it up. Maybe that was like a big one. Oh my gosh. Now your turn. It's still there, still there. Still there, still there. Don't bite that. Nice. Oh, the amberjaw. Yeah! Nice, Ma! Alright. Alright guys, so this is our catch right now at the moment. Look at all that. Oh man, it's a bit messy, Ma. Don't worry, I'm gonna get a bucket of water and then splash all this so that it gets clean again. Look at that, Mommy! Mackerel! Oh my god. Are you sure I should use this one? Oh, it's not here. Alright guys, so I didn't have the GoPro on because I'm running out of storage, but look, it's an amberjack. Alright. I'm gonna turn off the GoPro for now because I'm running out of space, but I'll turn it on later when we're done fishing. Good job, Mom. Alright guys, so we got everything packed up and this is our catch for today. Wow. So it's mostly mackerel, but we also got an amberjack and 2 snappers. Look at that. Ooh.
Nice.
Good job.
Yes, a good catch today.
Yes, it's a really good day.
Jasmine and Mommy. It's only Mommy catch all of this. I can't do it.
Yeah, it was a girls only trip.
They're good catch.
2 women catch the fish.
Yeah.
It was a girls only fishing trip. Yeah. So Mom called up Dad to like bring the cooler and everything so that we could pack up and go back home. Alright guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe.